Here's how to do a quick and easy moon-like basing scheme. Start with a texture paint like AK's Volcanic Earth and slather it on nice and thick. Then, before it dries, you want to grab some rocks and sand and put that on your base, before locking it all down with some super thin super glue, before base coating in black and dabbing on a dark grey. Then, to bring in some highlights, do a heavy dry brush of a lighter grey. If you're wanting a darker look, bring it all back down with a dark wash before moving on to the next step, which is dry brushing with an off-white. Make sure to have a light hand with this, as you want this just to be on the topmost surfaces. Then glue your model down onto the base and you'll have something that looks a little bit just like this.